Linux networking, that's what we're talking about in this video. We are going to talk about the top 5 networking commands in Linux. So let's get started, guys. So the first one, as maybe you have guessed it or not, will be ping. Is very basic. Then you give the IP or the host name of the machine. Let's say you want to ping google.com, just to test the connectivity from our machine to google.com. And as you can see, the ping is working fine, very fine. And this will continue. To stop this, you can just Ctrl+C and you are going to terminate that, and then you get the results here. Can you see google.com ping statistics? 14 packets was transmitted and 14 was received, so no packet was lost, and this is 100% responsive. All right, so that is first Linux networking commands. Another one, let's go deeper a little, is called we called it okay, maybe the basic as well, is a new version of ifconfig. By default, I think in latest Linux distros, ifconfig doesn't work anymore. So another one that is working now is IP address show. This is just to show the IP addresses on this particular machine. And as you can see, we have 1, 2, 3 IP addresses. The first one is for the loop back, and just like when the system wants to communicate with itself, so you just 127.0.0.1, so that's loop back. The second one is the NAT address, and if you look at the inet here, look at the inet, it says 10.0.2.1.15, sorry, 10.0.2.15. so this is NAT address, and this doesn't get routed to the internet, guys. So, and the main IP address of this machine is the third one, which is 192.168.243.99. so with this IP address, you can connect with this system and things like that. So these are the things that you see under IP address show. Before, if you use ifconfig, you are going to get it, but now that is obsolete, except you install some package which is not supposed to be. So IP address, IP addr show is used to see the IP address of the machine you are working on. So that's the second command in this video. The third command I will be talking about is used to trace the complete path that your computer will take to reach a particular destination. So the complete path, ping will tell you, we send some connectivity like packets to the destination and see if it arrived there fine or not. But traceroute, which is also called traceroute will tell you the path it follows, like the complete path it takes before it gets to that destination. So you can just do traceroute. That's why they call it traceroute, but it's actually traceroute. Then you give the IP address or the name of the machine. So we have google.com. so traceroute. As you can see, this is another one that is obsolete, but there is a replacement for it. We call it mtr my traceroute. Enter, and as you can see, this gives us real time. It's going to list out all the hops that are between you and the destination. So can you see? And it's going to show you what is sent, like you have the packets here. Look at the right hand side, you have the packets sent. 23 packets has been sent, and then the average time, the ping, everything. And as you can see, so that is my traceroute, guys. mtr is the latest one now, so traceroute is good. Alright, we are going to quit. Just Q will quit out of this. It's as simple as that. Alright, so another one which is quite I don't think this is available in most countries. Yeah, we are not supposed to use this. No. I think you can use it, but you have to be careful when using it. By the way, so it is called NetStart. All right, but it's actually something that I wouldn't want us to talk about. Is Nmap actually, so we'll have to install it. So I'll install Nmap. So it's a package on its own. You install it. So after the installation, you can use it to scan open ports. Use it to scan the port of a particular destination of a destination machine, to scan the open ports on that machine, and this can open some doorways to that machine for you if you know how to do it. So that's why in some countries it is not allowed. So we can just do Nmap, then it can be IP address instead of us using stuff. If you know the IP address of Google, which I'm going to show you later, but so can you see the starting Nmap is going to look for all the open ports on that machine, and then you can see see the open port. You can see the open. You have port 80 is open, port 587 is open as well. So 80 is HTTP, that's TCP, where to to access that server. So that's why that port is open by default. You must have guessed that because google.com is a web page, it's a web server. So 80 will be open and 587 is open as well. And there are some other information as well. As you can see, DNS record for this is 216.58.238. That's the DNS of google.com, and so many other things as well, as you can see. So that is one of the useful tools, one of Linux networking useful tools. Nmap is to see the open port on a particular server. So we can run this again for maybe facebook.com. And it's going to get us similar result, guys. See the DNS, see the open ports. So that, give it a while. It's taking some time. I don't know why Facebook is taking some time, but it's taking a while, but 20% done. No, I can't wait till that. So I'll just quit the operation, but it's just the same process. You just have to wait a little longer. Something else to see the NS lookup and DNS, rather, domain name resolution. So you can just use another command called dig. So you can just do it, dig facebook.com. so this will give you the DNS. As you can see, we have global options, and then if you should scroll down, you have answer section. Can you see facebook.com. The DNS is 102.132.101.35. That's the DNS of Facebook. We can try for google.com again. And as you can see, this is what we saw earlier, 216.58.223.238. So that is the purpose of Dig. Another that is similar to Dig is NSLOOKUP. So that is Linux networking commands. I believe you've learned quite some commands in this video. See you in the next.